Good afternoon to everyone, especially Father Michael McRae, the Director of Youth Center, and Father Primus, Assistant Director, Father James, Economer, and fathers, and all my dear friends. I'm very happy to be present for the first time like this competition, Kasur Kenut second season. Last year it was already done, and on the feast of St. John Bosco, I think on this same day that the final was held here in this place. And it is very appropriate and quite fitting to have this competition on the feast of St. John Bosco, who worked so much for the young people, who gave his life for the young people, who continue to inspire so many young people, and so many of us fathers and sisters continue to work for the young people. One of them we have like this youth center. So the youth center is rendering service to the young people here in and around Shillong, in Meghalaya, and other states too. So I hope that this center will continue to serve the young people in every way possible. And as I said, it is very fitting because on this feast day, the Don Bosco feast day, we are having this competition, this second season grand finale, because Don Bosco used to say that a Salesian house or oratory or youth center, we can also say, without music is a body without a soul. So a house without music is a body without soul. So very important for us, music is part and parcel of our life. We are singing together, individually, sometimes we're singing together, praising God. All of us are singing. And so through the music, we are able to also communicate something. We are giving information. We are also communicating our culture. And through our expression, through our voices, we are making others happy. And we are communicating our culture and life. It is a very important music part and parcel of our life. So I hope that all the participants of the competition will continue to develop their talents, and they will continue to shine, and the Lord will bless them. So as I was listening, I was reminded of the film, The Sound of Music. All of us might have seen The Sound of Music. So the sound of music in that family, those who are singing. So the father, Captain von Trapp, that when he married again Maria, and singing, a very good singer, teaching the children singing and making them happy in the house. The words that he said, "Thank you for bringing back music to our house. Thank you for bringing back music to our house." So we thank also the organizers for not only bringing back, but these ones making us happy through this music and through their songs and through their voices. I hope you will continue to shine, will continue to develop your musical talents and your voices. And I wish you all the best, and I wish you a pleasant evening and afternoon to all of you. God bless you all.